Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankush. In today's video, I'm going to share you some interesting stuff related to the Oracle DBA, and that is what is the bad thing about Oracle DBA. When you want to start your career, you also need to think about this parameter. There is no doubt that Oracle DBA is a very good career. You can ask for a good package. There is a job stability. And since this Oracle is a very good software, you can see that yes, your job is really secure in the future also. Apart from this, you also need to learn a lot of new things about the Oracle. And when the upgrade will come, when new database versions will come, you need to understand the technology also. But apart from this, there are some bad things which I want to share with you related to the Oracle DBA. And what is that? The bad thing about the Oracle DBA, which I have observed, is related to the night shift. Now, what is that? Being a Oracle DBA, our responsibility is to make sure that our database should be up and running. Now, that database should be up and running 24/7. It means in the morning, afternoon, and night. So, when you want to become an Oracle DBA, there is a chances that you will end up with the project which they are supporting for 24/7. So it doesn't mean that you need to work 24/7. It means there will be a rotational shift. There is a chances that you will be working in the morning shift, you will be working with the afternoon shift, and you will be working with the night shift also. So there is not a fixed shift timing when you work as a Oracle DBA or any jobs which is related to the administration. You can talk about the network, Linux, Citrix, any technology which are related to the administrative job, because the expectation is server database, it should be running well 24/7. That is the expectation. So maybe 15 days you will be working in morning, then afternoon and night. Since there is no feasibility or stability in the timing, it can also affect to your health also. That is also a parameter. You need to understand that. But don't consider that when you are working as a Oracle DBA, you will be always in the shift. No, that is depend also upon the project to project. Some projects will be there which are not looking for 24/7, or there may be a team, those who are working from offshore and onshore. So in the Indian timing, if you talk about the Indian timing, you will be working, and from on-site, maybe from US location or UK location, their people where the morning time is there for them, they will be working in daytime, which is our night time here. So that is all depend upon your luck and the project that you are working. If you are lucky, then maybe you will be working with the morning shift only, or maybe you will work with the 9 to 6, which is our favorite job, 9 to 6. There are problems with the 9 to 6 jobs also, which I have observed personally when you are working with the metro city. If you have a job in 9 to 6, you will end up with the pollution and population. And there will be a lot of traffic. So I personally prefer to work in 12 to 9 shift where less traffic will be there. And since I like to spend much time in the night timing, I can sleep in the morning till whatever time I want to sleep. So 12 to 9 is the best shift. So to create this video, what I want to tell you that don't consider that if you are becoming a DBA, it means you will be night shift all the time. No, that is all depend upon project to project. What is the requirement of the project? What is the demand of the project? If the demand is good, which is feasible for you, then you should be okay. But again, when you are joining any company as a Oracle DBA, you can ask for these details. What will be the shift timing? Normally in the MNC company, what will happen? They will not tell you the project name. So you can be the part of any project which will work in the morning, afternoon, night, or you should be ready for that. But again, when your experience goes on increasing, they will not expect you to work in the night shift. There can be some sort of adjustment. We can do that. Okay, that is possible. That is all. Everything is flexible in this world. It's all depend on you. So work-life balance, when you are saying related to the Oracle DBA, that is one challenging part. You also need to think about it. There are some companies in India, they are not allowing resources employees to work in the night shift like IBM. I heard about that, but we need to confirm. Okay, for especially for the girls, they will not allow, okay, to work in the night shift timing. So that is a good factor. So whenever you're joining as a Oracle DBA, think about this parameter, okay, because it is an important parameter. See, one or other day we will earn the money from somewhere because we are talented. We are putting a lot of efforts to earn the money. But at the end, we need to also think about the health. Health is better, or something. We should think about this health, because if you have a good health, then money will be there in your pocket. Otherwise, you know what's happening nowadays. So this is what the experience which I thought like to share with you. And I just started my Oracle DBA training. If you are looking for Oracle DBA training, please contact me. All the details are there in the description section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, subscribe and share this channel.